Chimo! Hey! Ukuma! Hey! Hey! Ah! Ewa! 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 Hey! Hey! Chimo! Hey! Kasima! Oh! Like this. For how long will I continue to live alone? When you saw my situation and you took the only thing that gives me joy, my precious daughter, my jewel of inestimable value. You took my joy, my heroine. And what? Why did you take me place of her? What am I living for? I'm vegetable. I'm not good for anything, God. You would have taken me. You would have taken me. Hey! I see where are you? Hey! No, good evening.
Hold your greetings to yourself. I don't need it now. Yes. Now, Chinyere, why have you decided to disobey the custom of our land? Why?
What happened?
Chinyere, you are depriving me my right.
Your legitimate right?
Yes. Don't you know that as my late brother's wife, that everything that belonged to him, including you, belongs to me as custom and tradition demand? I am giving you 8 market weeks to start sleeping with me, or you face the wrath of being thrown out of this house.
Now your gem. It has not come to this big Lulu. Why can't you allow me to bear in peace the death of my loved ones?
Chinyere, I have given you enough time. I have waited for too long, but you did not cooperate. Now, I want to ask a question. Do you want that thing in between your thighs to get rust before I go in? Or didn't my late brother pay your dowry in full? You do not have a son. You do not have a husband. Don't you know I am only trying to favor you? I am going to give you more time to think of it. Or I will make sure I take you to the elders in council so that you will be banished forever out of this village.
Hey, if my daughter were to be alive, you and I know that you wouldn't be standing there and vomiting all this nonsense you are saying to me. Because you know that she would have taught you a lesson you would not have forgotten in your life. Man, that's the word.
Hey!
Mama, come in and rest. The pots are all filled up.
Mama, what about the one for drinking?
No, my child. All the pots are already filled. You've worked much already. Come, let's go and rest.
Okay, mother, please. Allow me to go just this once.
Okay, my child. If you say so, because I know you like to work. I don't know what I would have done if the gods did not give me a strong daughter like you.
Mother, please don't get started. Kangava.
Holy child. So the gods of our land bless you, my child.
Mama, what are you doing? Do you want to enjoy yourself?
I can't wait for you to come back before I prepare something for us to eat.
Mama, I don't like this one. Mama, am I complaining? Am I? Very soon you will start complaining of wasting. Mama, be koptanuso.
No, I don't want to.
Madam Apolai.
Hey, Nigerian. Welcome.
Nana. How are you today?
Fine.
Very good. Very good. Your daughter, is she in?
Okasiwam. No, she's not around.
Oh, better. Better then.
No. This one you're saying better. Very good then. I hope everything is okay.
Everything is alright.
Okay,
woman, you know it, that by our tradition, female children do not inherit anything. I know you have a child, but it's not a male child, and so you have no place here at all. Now that your husband is dead, I want to suggest strongly that you come to me. Marry me to avoid being thrown out.
Nayo Jemba, is this why you left your house to my own house this morning to remind me of my husband's death? Anyway, no problem. No problem about that. All I know is that I have a child. And any child, whether he or she, is entitled to his father's properties.
Lie. I say lie again. I know you are a stubborn woman. Very stubborn indeed. Now tell me, have you ever heard or seen in this land where female children inherit their father's properties? Have you ever?
Mazio Jemba.
You called me by my name?
Mazi Ojimba.
You called it again.
So you're here to tell my mother that she does not have a male child? Meaning I'm useless, eh?
No. I didn't mean like that. I didn't, honestly. I didn't. But your mother here told me that you were not in her. So how come that you just...
I am sure you came here to sleep with my mother. Yes, that is why you've come. That is why you are here. To sleep with your brother's wife. Not to worry. I will tell you that I am a female with a difference.
Did you tell her that I want to sleep with you? It has not come to that.
Why are you lying?
Hey.
Hey, have you forgotten what you said a few minutes ago? You are not lying. Because my daughter. Hey! Mess with you. Hey! No, wait.
Come back! Come back! Stupid useless man!
Guys, you want just come back. Come back, my dear. Useless man. Eh? He goes. Just because of this little thing, my friend, let me see you take it to the compound.
Let's go inside. Useless man, come back. Cassie is not at home.
Zamiliza.
Zamiliza.
Okay, Zamiliza. Zamiliza. Zamiliza.
Mary replied, Achotabalu one
Zamiliza.
Chotabalu one
Zamiliza.
Chotabalu Pia
Zamiliza.
Pia tomorrow nuko sisi
Zamiliza. So mother, what happened?
Now the first child that disobeyed the mother and went after the flute did not come back.
Really?
Yeah. The third one went and recovered the second one. The first child disappeared into the air. Yes.
Really?
Yes. Now tell me, what did you learn from this story?
Obedience.
Obedience is good.
Yes, mother.
Because he disobeyed the mother.
Yeah.
Had he listened to her,
exactly.
he wouldn't have disappeared.
Mother, I want another one. But let's finish our cooking first.
Okay, I'll tell you. Hey. Oh. Huh? Where is Kasimma now? Where is this girl? Just to fetch water for me from the stream. Is that what is keeping her this long? But I know she doesn't stay long when she goes out to do anything. Then what is keeping her? And she knows that I cannot eat alone. What is happening? I'm hearing sound. Hey! What is it? Come on, drop my child! What happened to my daughter? What happened to her?
Mama, we saw her floating on the water while we were fishing.
Come on, wake her up. I sent her to fetch water for me. Come on, raise her. She's there. Wake up, she's there. Who is that? Look out! Cassie, don't mind them. Oh, they're feeling themselves. Get up. Cassie, mommy. Amaricham, bia. Kulite mwam onne. Kulite. Bia onne. Hey, come, let's eat together. Come. Seafood, I've prepared the food. What more? Oh, my light, my joy, my pride. Oh, somebody should come, please. No, not that. Hey! Oh, Cassie, mommy, oh, my egg, my light. Piano, somebody should help me. Baby, Mama, hey, Piano, come and help me. Make her stand up. No, she will stand up. I know she will stand up. No, she will stand up now. Mommy, light him.
Odinobi, Mama. Odinobi. How? Oh, Mama Licha. What have I done to you? Hey! What? No. That took me away from me. The only valuable that I have. How? Cosimo. That's why you need to take me away in place of my daughter. How? Holy champ. I should have died now. I am nothing. I am useless. Look at your mother, I can see. I'm useless. I can't even do anything anymore. Cassia! Cassia, Babu. Your uncle wants to take what you have been fighting for. That which you have been defending all this time, my child. Your uncle wants to take my force. He said that if I refuse,
Mother, why are you outside? You shouldn't be outside. It's getting cold. Okay, you're shivering. You shouldn't be here. Wait, let me get you a wrapper. What is happening? Mother! 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 Mama, stop this. You will hurt yourself. Mama, you have to stop doing this. I have told you. Mama, can't you hear me? Mama, Bikonu, you hurt yourself. I've told you to stop doing this. Mama. What is happening? Mother, please, you have to stop this. Please. Mama. What's wrong with me? Mama, can't you hear me? Stop this. She can't even hear me. Stop this. You What is wrong with me? Can everybody hear me? Then why are you going to the street when I'm here? What have I done? What have I done to the gods that have made them deprive me of touching anything? What have I... Nem, please. Please, just give me the water pot. What's you going to the stream? They'll call me a wicked child, a bad daughter, an irresponsible one at that. Please give me the water pot. Mother, can't you hear me? It's Kasima. It's Kasima, it's me. To have annoyed you this much, forgive me, please. Mother, if I've done anything to have annoyed you this much, I am begging you, forgive me. Please just listen to me, hear me. Mother, hear me.
Mother,
Mother.
That Chimo, Mama Kasima, that woman is a witch. She killed her husband. I know. She's a witch.
So this is how you gossip with my mother. Oka.
Baby, this is serious. She even went as far as killing her own daughter and husband.
Oh, shut it!
Sure.
Why would you call my mother names? Why would you say she killed her husband and daughter? Why?
Sure.
Am I not the one here? Do I look like I'm dead? Can't you see me?
Anytime I see her, I will even insult her.
Can't you see me? Why would you say I'm dead? Can't you see me? Uka!
What
is happening to me? What is happening to me? Can someone hear me? Can someone hear me? I want to wake up from this dream! It's a bad one! I want to wake up! Oka! Can't you hear me?
Mama Kasima, after deliberation on the petition brought before the Igwe in Council against you by Mazi Ojemba, the Igwe in Council decided and mandated me to come and inform you, or remind you rather, in case you've forgotten, that our tradition stipulates that on the death of your late husband, whatever property or belonging he possesses, which includes you, will be transferred to his younger brother. In this case, Mazi Ojemba.
No, this can't happen. Over my dead body will this he-goat sleep with my mother.
Therefore, The Igwe and elders in council decided that you should submit all your late husband's properties, including yourself, to Mazi Ojemba. You have been given 8 market days to comply or face banishment.
I have heard all you said. But I think you should give me time to think about it. Now both of you should leave before I do something drastic. Leave!
You said you would think about it.
What's the matter?
Mazi Ojemba, you heard her. She said she would think about it. Let's go. We have to go.
Leave before I do something drastic.
Think about it too, and make sure it's positive.
I said you.
Tinker. Think well. Think well, eh?
Mother, you are not thinking about anything. Mama, you will do no such thing, please. Don't tell me you will give in to what they just said. Mother, you're crying. You're not going to sleep with that man, are you? Please don't tell me you're going to give in to... Mother, I hope you're not thinking about anything.
Mama Kasimma, after deliberation on the petition brought before the Igwe in Council against you by Mazi Ojemba, the Igwe in Council decided and mandated me to come and inform you, or remind you rather, in case you've forgotten, that our tradition stipulates that on the death of your late husband, whatever property or belonging he possesses, which includes you, will be transferred to his younger brother. In this case, Mazi Ojemba.
No, this can't happen. Over my dead body will this he-goat sleep with my mother.
Therefore, the Igwe and elders in council decided that you should submit all your late husband's properties, including yourself, to Mazi Ojemba. You have been given 8 market days to comply or face banishment.
I have heard all you said. But I think you should give me time to think about it. Now both of you should leave before I do something drastic. Leave!
You said you would think about it.
What's the matter?
Mazi Ojemba, you heard her. She said she would think about it. Let's go. We have to go.
Leave before I do something drastic.
Think about it too, and make sure it's positive.
I said you.
Tinker. Think well. Think well, eh?
Mother, you are not thinking about anything. Mama, you will do no such thing, please. Don't tell me you will give in to what they just said. Mother, you're crying. You're not going to sleep with that man, are you? Please don't tell me you're going to give in to... Mother, I hope you're not thinking about anything.
Mazi Ojemba,
You are a wonderful man.
I told you it will work.
Hey!
She said she will think about it. That means it has worked.
It has worked already.
Yes.
I never expected it was going to work out so fast.
You have to go and start sharpening your man.
I have done that long time ago. All the time I will be asking this question. Does this woman want that beautiful thing in between her thighs to get rust before I go in?
You see?
My money. Okay, yes, I am going to give it to you. What a wonderful day for me. That is it, my brother.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate what you have done. Yes. What are friends for?
Send me well to your family.
Thank you very much. Even much for you. Hey! How will it?
Mother, you have to listen. Yamba, so this is your plan. This is your plan. My only husband, brother. Mother, please. It's Ojimba's plan to sleep with you. The king did not say anything like that. Please. Mother, you have to listen to me. You have to. I overheard him. He even offered him money. Mother, listen to me. Please, can't you hear me? It's no elders in council. It's Ojimba and Okafor's plan. Oh, Mother, stop crying, please. It's just a plan, Mother. Please, you do not have to succumb to what they just said. Please, you have to hear me. It's your Kasima. What is happening to me? Mama can't even see me. Mama can't even hear me. She doesn't even understand what I'm saying. Like, she can't even see me at all. What is happening to me? Someone should just explain this thing.
Kasima, why are you here crying so for? What is the problem?
Please just let me be. Because you do not know what I'm going through. Please just let me be because... Wait. You can hear me?
Yes, of course I can hear you.
Can you see me?
Of course I can see you.
Can you really see me? I can even feel a touch of you. Then why can't any other person see me, hear me, or even feel a touch of me? Why?
It's because you're dead.
This is a kind of joke. It's some sort of joke. You're not serious, are you? So why then can you see me? You can hear me. I can even feel you. Why?
It's because I'm dead as well.
No, this is a bad dream. Kasima, wake up. Wake up. This is a bad dream.
Kasima.
Just wake up. Just
Kasima.
wake up. Wake up.
I want to show you something.
This is...
This is where you were buried.
How did this happen? How?
You drowned in the river.
And they found your body floating.
No, it can't be. No, it can't be. It can't be. I'm dead. It can't be. Like you said, I am dead, which I still do not believe. So since you said I'm dead, what am I still doing in the land of the living? What?
Because the love bond your mother has for you is very strong. Every night she goes to your grave to cry her eyes out. And that disturbs the inhabitants of the spirit world. And that's the more reason why they sent you back for a mission. Before you can have a peaceful rest.
But I'm useless being here. I can't help my mother in any way. She can't see me. She can't even hear me even when I scream to the maximum. So what's the essence of staying here?
That's the reason why they sent me to help you.
You are still not making sense to me. All of this you're saying, I can't comprehend. Please, just say something else because I do not understand. They're not making any sense. Please.
I'll teach you. You can help your mother.
How?
Lift the pot.
You touch and feel something.
I can touch anything I want. Anything. Anything.
Please. I would love you to teach me. I want to help my mother in house chores. Please.
All you need to do is to concentrate. Walk with your mind. In that way you can feel anything.
Concentrate?
Yes.
How?
You just need to learn.
Please, I need to help. I do not like seeing my mother like this. I need to help her so she doesn't get hurt, please.
You can. That depends on how fast you can learn.
Mother, please take it easy.
My waist. Oh God.
Mother, take it easy. I can do this. I can do this. Mother, please. I can do this. Mother.
How long will I continue like this? This thing is getting worse and worse. Hey!
Please. I do not like seeing her like this. Please. Please, Mother, take it by yourself, please. Please do something, please.
I'll watch over you, okay? I'll watch over you. Hey. This is the reason why your spirit can never rest. What she's doing, she's really stopping the dead. You have to learn fast before she'll be summoned.
Please teach me. I want to learn so that I can help my mother. I do not like her condition, please. It kills me seeing her like this. Please, I want to learn.
I wash over you, okay? Touch just leave. If you can touch it, then you can touch anything.
I can't even touch it. Come on, leave.
Kasima, you can't touch it in anger. You need to concentrate. Walk with your mind. In that way, you can touch anything and be able to help your mother.
Kasima, concentrate. It's a thing of the mind. It's a thing of the mind, Kasima.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to see my mother.
Did you ever love somebody when you were alive?
Yes, of course.
Who?
My mother. I love my mother so much. She's the only parent I have. My father died when I was a child. So my mother took care of me all by herself up until my death.
But that's not what I'm talking about. Did you fall in love with any man when you were alive?
No! I didn't have that time. I did no such thing. No! I do not know your name, by the way, but you know mine.
My name is Zubby.
Are you from this village?
No. Omodike was my maternal home.
Oh, okay. So, let's hear yours. Were you in love with anybody when you were alive?
Yes.
Tell me about her.
I was in love with this girl. I was not able to summon the courage to tell her how much I feel about her until the day of my death.
If given a second chance, what would you tell her?
Shouting her name. If her name is Kasima, I will shout, Kasima, I love you. I love you, Kasima. I will shout to her hearing. Even if she refuses to hear me, I will shout and shout till I get tired.
That's so sweet. That's very nice.
Why are you calling my name?
Where have you been? I've been looking all over for you. I'm sure it's this your roaming about that got you killed.
No. I went to see my family.
I'm sorry about that. How are they?
They have moved on. By the way, why were you calling me?
My uncle is going to our house right now. He's going to my house. I heard his thoughts. He said if my mother refuses him this time around, he would rape her. Please, I need your help, please.
I was instructed not to help you anymore. This time around, you do it by yourself.
Obiajulu, please. Just this once. I do not want my uncle laying a finger on my mother, please. Please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Stop him. He's going to rape my mother. He's going to my house. He's going to sleep with her. Please, please just do something, please. Please.
Hey! What? What threw stone on me? How come? This is bad omen. Bad omen. Bad omen. Bad omen.
He's coming back. He's coming back to his house. Old fool that serves you right. He's going back. Please, how did you do this? Please, teach me. Kasima, you can't do this. It's a thing of the mind. Concentrate. Concentrate. I did it! 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 I touched it! I touched that! See! I can touch! I can touch! I can touch! I can touch! I did it! I can touch this! I can touch it! I did it! Come, let's go!
I know this is where we're coming to.
Let's go.
To where?
To the stream, of course. I'm sure my mother will be very happy.
So this is how you walk tirelessly when you were alive?
Like you knew me when I was alive.
So they say. People say you walk a lot.
Well, I love my mother so much that I wouldn't even allow her to pick a stone. That's how much I love her. And I can't wait for her to come back. I can't wait to see the smile on her face. When she finds out her water pots are all filled.
She's definitely going to be happy.
What is going on? What is happening? First, it was my compound that was neatly swept and not by me. Now this, my pots are filled with water. Who will be doing this?
Let's go one more, please.
No. I'm tired.
You must have been a lazy man when you were alive. Well, it's okay. It's okay then. I even think this will be enough for her for some time. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm just tired. That's just it, bro. I'm tired.
It's okay, let's go.
This is really getting serious. First, it was sweeping of my compound. Then, fetching of water. And now, it's firewood. Someday, I'll get to the root of this. I will know who is doing this.
I will do it. It's my benefit. I must do it. I have to do it.
Hey! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Hey!
Leave me alone!
Hey! Leave me alone!
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Amamula! Amamula! Hey! Amamula! Amamula!
Oyoshi! This is the way to your house. He goats. Onyori, come and take now. Come and take. You don't know the way to your house anymore. Come, useless man. You want to come and steal your brother's wife? Useless he goats. Come and take now.
Please, we have to go and help my mother with the reading work at the farm. Please. I read her thoughts in which she said the work is too big for her. She doesn't even know where to start. Please.
What are you talking about? What? You know I don't know how to read. I've not done that before.
Then you have to learn today. It seems you were useless to your parents when you were alive.
I helped them in eating and reducing the food in the house. You're laughing. So tell me, How do we do the work?
Let's get there first. Did you see the smile on my mother's face?
Yes. At least you achieved something by making your mother happy once again.
I'm so happy. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you so much. Obiajulu, I want to tell you something.
What exactly?
I think I'm in love with you.
Kasima, please stop. Do you think we are still living? We are dead now. Please stop thinking about something that you know is not possible.
That is the problem. I really do not understand it myself. When I was alive, I didn't feel this type of love for any man. I didn't even have such time. But what I feel for you, it's deep. I don't know.
I was instructed not to help you again. But because of the way I feel, I see myself violating that order.
You feel the same way too?
Yes. Remember about a girl I told you I love so much and I never summoned the courage to tell her how I feel? That girl is you. I regularly visit my maternal home from Munabanta. All because I want to see you. Not for any other thing.
I don't understand.
Dalukwano.
No.
This is the girl I'm talking about.
Oh, Kasima.
Is Kasima her name?
Yes. Kasima is her name. She's a good girl.
I love this girl so much. Do you know I often see her in my dreams?
Talk to her. Approach her. And stop dying in silence. Be a man.
I'll try. I will. Yes, I will.
Obiaju. What is it? Ogini? No, don't tell me that you are still thinking about Kasima.
No, she's the one I'm thinking about.
Okay. I have told you to approach her. You are a man. Talk to her. Be a man. Stop dying in this silence every time you are thinking about Kasima. I don't like it. Please.
No.
I'm
still thinking on how to approach her. I don't know how to summon the courage.
You are thinking about how to approach Kasima. Kasima. Okay. Since you don't know how to approach her, let me suggest. I suggest you get a good palm wine. Make sure that it's a very good one. And take it. Then you summon courage and talk to her boldly. That is the thing you do, since you don't know how to talk to her. You see that?
No, Sivine. I can see you're very stupid. Get out.
I say you should take palm wine. I didn't say anything. Okay, since you don't like palm wine, you can take kai.
Don't worry. I don't even know whether if it's hunchback you have. You can only allow the bani. You must be a man today. When she comes, I will go straight to her and tell her all that she needs to know. I will express my feelings today. Go be na kukwa mako. Ojo. Hey, Obi Ajolo. Oh, Josie. Kwanojo. This girl is she's so beautiful. Ay. I must marry this girl. I must marry this girl. Hey, you'll be a crumb. Even Namali look and wine. This girl must be my wife. I must go and pay her dowries. Nobody will take away this beautiful thing. Hey! That was how I kept admiring you. Till the day I died. I love you, Kasima.
I love you too. I love you too, Adi.
We'll be returning to the land of the dead. But before then, I have to tell you the truth. You did not drown. You were killed.
What?
Today I must be a man. I have to let Kasima know my feelings towards her. I have to be a man.
My uncle killed me just to have my mother. And you died because of the woman you love.
Yes. I told you this so you can take a decision. If you want to kill him or inflict him with disease, even burn him too. Chicks, you have the power to do whatever you want to.
I will do no such thing. I will allow vengeance for the gods. At least I'm happy. I'm happy that I found love even in death.
I am happy I was given a second chance to be with the woman I love so much, who I was unable to reach when I was still alive. I don't regret dying because I have you. But before we go, I want us to pay a visit to a friend.
Hey! Hey, what? Hey? No. No, no, no. I killed her. No.
Nai.
She's dead.
Nai, what is it?
No, she's dead. I killed her.
Nai.
She's dead. Can't you see her? She's dead. I killed her.
No,
Look at her.
Are you seeing
She's
anyone?
dead. Hey! Can't you see her? Look at her. Look at her. Hey,
No.
she's dead. I killed her. She's dead.
Nai.
Hey!
What is it?
Hey!
No, sir. Hey, no, sir. Mama! Hey! No, sir. Nai. Hey!
This pregnancy is increasing day by day. How do I explain this to people? What do I tell them? That I became pregnant without meeting with a man. How do I explain this? How?
Fear not, mother. For the child you bear is a gift from the gods. She will liberate our people from the shackles of the evil ones.
Gift from the gods. The child I bear from the gods. I will liberate. But this voice sounds like Kasimam.
Yes, mother. It is Kasima, your Ugogwe, Negoma, Watadiginobi. It is really Kasima, your daughter.
Kasim. Oh, my child. If it's you, if you have indeed come to your mother, show me a sign. If it's you that came to me, show me a sign. Hey. Kasim. Omalicham.
Mother.
My pride. My joy. Oh, my baby. Make me see you. Can I see you? Just for one more time, please.
Mother, you can't see me.
Please. Please, my child.
But you can feel me. You can feel me. Just stretch your hand.
Okay. Okay, my child.
Yes, move to the right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. My child, where are you?
Mother, just concentrate. You have to concentrate. Mother, you have to concentrate. You can do this. It's a thing of the mind.
Okay, my child.
Allow love to be cloudy.
Okay.
Allow love to be cloudy.
Okay, my child.
Allow love to be cloudy. Allow the love we share to be cloudy.
Kasi, Mom. Kasi. Oh, my light. Oh, my child. My joy. Kasi. Abimo. Kasi. My child. Oh, you care for me. The fire. Did you?
Mama, I built the fire and the thing came up. You know that the firewood is not dried.
That was so fast, my daughter. Okay, be peeling the vegetables. Let me get the pots.
Okay.
Come, you small wish of a girl. So you want to tell me that when you see your elders, you don't greet them? Eh?
No, I greeted you, didn't hear me.
Hey. What then are you insinuating? That we are dead? Isn't it? Eh?
Oh, baby, why did you push me? Push you? No, I thought you stumbled on something. Oh, baby, you pushed me and you are denying it. You want to break my water pot? What kind of nonsense is that? Me push you. I don't like it too. Oh, baby. I'm talking nonsense. I didn't push you. Oh, baby, you pushed me and you are denying it. Okay, look at my pot. You want to break my pot? Oh, God! You pushed me and you are denying it. You slapped me. You slapped me. You want to fight? You want to fight? I'll beat you. Oh yeah, be ready for fight. I'll beat you. You want to fight? I'll beat you. Yes, I'll just be ready. Just be ready. I'll beat you. Beat me. Let's fight. You must fight. Oh my God, just be ready for fight. Today, you must fight me today.
Nemodima, Dorima, Dorima, Nemodima, Dorima,
Hey, Dad. Dad, come. Dad, come. Come and take my life so that this suffering will end. Take me. Hey, when will this pain stop? Hey, this sickness has refused to go. Hey, and that even has wickedly decided to be far away from me. Hey, hey, boy. Boom. Look at. Death has even decided to stay very far away from me. Hey.
What else do we do? At least to make his manhood to come down. It has been like this for a long time now. Despite all your consultation. What do we do?
I've done as the gods directed. I've done all I can. I think he knows what his problem is. He knows what he's suffering from.
Ezemo, you mean my husband knows the cause of his sickness?
Woman.
Ezemo, how do you mean?
Ojemba, my good friend, why not swallow your pride? Rapuke no dogu. Rapuka ni ilo makeji na jaga nogu. Go and beg Chinyere, your late brother's wife, for forgiveness. That's the only way the gods will leave this sickness out of you. Otherwise, you will remain like this for years to come. Hey! To get healed, Loka.
I can never do that. I can't do that. Hey! Why do you have to suggest that to me? And you claim to be my best friend? Why not think of something that you will do to make sure that you deal with her?
Ojemba, I have tried all I can, but that evil child of hers can never allow any harm before her. Ngafu bakwalo ni iche. Ngafu bali iche, odro ki be esi adi.
Ewo, Ezema. Come, let me whisper something to you. Come.
Okay, look, I'm hearing, I hear you.
I want you to go.
How did you do that?
I don't know, Mama. I just find myself doing it.
Your gifts are increasing day by day. So now you have to be careful on where and how you use it, so that the villagers will not start branding you a witch.
I know all that, Mama. I've had some people call me that sometimes. I've heard you. Let me go and get fish for our cooking.
From where? We don't have money in this house for fish. No, we don't have money. So let us go and manage this here. When we have money, you buy fish and can as well buy meat to eat. Come, let's go.
Mama, don't worry. I'll be back. Just wait for me.
Go, Papa. Go suffer lives.
Papa, Mama told me that the Ezemo came to this place and he said you know something about this your sickness. Why are you keeping it away from us? Why did you refuse to tell us? Why?
Hey, my son. Please forget about it. Forget about it, oh! I don't want any problem, please. Please.
Nine. What problem are you talking about? Huh? Please, say something. This suffering is becoming too much on me. And I want to be relieved of it as soon as possible.
Hey!
Papa,
hey! Oh, Chinyere. Oh, Chinyere. My late brother's wife.
Hey! Chinyere! Nonsense. Did you hear that?
Papa? What did she do to you and why?
Chinyere cast a spell on me. She cast a spell on me because I told her that she has no male child and that she should leave my late brother's land for me. That is why she cast a spell on me. Oh.
Wait, Papa. You mean that Chinyere, Kasima's mother, did this to you and you kept it away from us? Papa, why? Makagini is the one.
Like I told you, my son, that woman cast a spell on me. I didn't want to tell you. Because if I do, you will wage war against her. That woman is dangerous. Somebody who was able to kill her own husband. Why do you think she will not cast the same spell on you? Please, my son. That is why I did not. That is why I did not.
Papa, don't worry, eh? There will be no war. Hey! Chinyere! Ha! One maybe.
It's alright. Hey!
That's it! What have you making here? What have you done? She kept your mouth like this, eh?
Because today I can't be peace.
No, sir!
Akaraka imana nae meya mpichano ainugo ifonye gamu gabu nelu wanemo
So you have the guts to inflict such an illness on my father? Welcome here, Munenu.
No, I don't understand.
You don't understand what?
What are you talking about?
Yen! Come on, wait for the back! Tokamburi Kogi! Yeah.
Elders of Umudike, I've already told you that girl is an evil child. Yes. And if nothing is done to banish her from this village, she will do something more evil in this village.
You know that girl is evil. Why? I am even suspecting she inflicted Mazi Ojemba with this disease he's suffering.
Exactly. See, let me tell you. Our children are complaining bitterly of her. Who knows how she entered her mother's womb? She is at this age.
At her old age.
Oh. She is marrying kingdom.
My eyes have seen my ears. My eyes have seen my ears without me to do. What is it? Hey! Talk now! Talk! That little girl, that Gina's daughter. Hey! As I was coming back from my wind up, at Ojani River, I saw her right inside the river. What did you see now? That small girl. This girl was looking straight into the river. That's what I saw.
What did you
see? Fishes were jumping up. Smiling at her. In fact, it's like they were talking. They were talking together. Hey! And even jumping into her hands. Hey! 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 You see it? Have you seen it? There's a more. Do you hear that? Hey!
Thank you for the information.
This is smiling at human being. This is smiling at human being.
Have you seen what I've been telling you?
Okay.
If nothing is done to chase that girl out from this village as quickly as possible, our forthcoming action with definite ears. All our coaching is icy.
The eyes of the God. Better do something fast. Do something fast, Ezemo. My people, I believe the best thing for us to do is to look for a way to banish this girl from this village. That's the best thing. Up.
She must be banished.
Okay, that's it.
Hey!
Nine, wake up now. Nine. I don't know what has happened to Nonso. Since he left for Chinyere's house, he's yet to be back. Hey, and it's getting late.
So, my son has not returned?
No, he has not.
Hey! I said it initially. I told you to hold him. Jidea! But you could not jide that boy at all. Hey! Ooh. Listen, you better go and look for my son. Go and look for my son now. Go and look for him. Go and look for my son.
Nine, but I tried holding him back. He refused. Huh? What do I do now? What do I do?
Eh? What do you do? Go and look for my son quick. Go.
Hey, Monsara Putakwamo.
Go away from here. I said go away from here now. Go away from here. Go and look for my son. 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 Hey!
Hey! Chinoso! Hey! Where's my daughter? Mama!
Yes, Mama.
Come out, so. Chinoso is still here.
Mama, he's watching over the house.
Hey, Biko, you have to release them. Don't let people see or hear this and start branding you a witch again. Biko!
I will, Mama, but I just want him to learn his lesson so that next time he won't dare such thing again.
Please, my daughter, thank you very much. But I'm sure he has learnt his lesson. Just release him, let him go back to his people. Eh? Are you sure he will recover himself?
You worry yourself a lot, Mama. He will recover soon. Let's go inside. He will recover. Let's go inside now. Mama! Let's go. Let's go. Mama, let's go! Mama! Let's go.
Okay, people, hold on. Yes, you explain to us.
It's okay. Don't you know that when all of us are talking at the same time, automatically none of us is saying anything? Now, Chinyere, my question to you now is this. Who impregnated you? How did it come about this child?
My elders. This child people are talking about is my child. I gave birth to her.
That means she has committed an abomination. We all know that this woman has only one child before her husband's death.
That's my question. Chinyere, people have been complaining bitterly about that child. So tell us the truth. Who is her biological father? And where do we come from? Where to leave me?
My elders. My daughter is innocent.
Innocent?
She has not offended anybody. Not even any of you. So people are just looking for trouble where there is none.
It seems you don't want to answer our question. Because all you have said now is off point.
That is not my question at all.
You are stubborn. She's stubborn. Now listen. We are giving you from now to 8 market days.
No! 8 market days!
Allow her to think about it. 8 market days. If you don't give us an answer to our question, you and that child will be banished in this village.
8 market days. Or you people will be banished from this village.
The elders summoned me to tell the truth how I heard you. They said they're giving me 8 market days to do that, or I'll be punished. Because they said that you're the one that caused Ojemba's illness and almost caused the death of Monso.
Mama, they made you cry. Don't they know that making you cry is the same as making me cry?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. Sorry, okay? Hey, wait for me. I'm coming. Yeah?
Where are you going to? Mama.
Papa. Papa. Why? Tawa.
Hey, can you make me back? Can you make me back?
Who are you?
I am Ogugwa, the daughter of Chinyere.
You evil child. What have you come to do? Have you come here to kill me? Huh?
I'm not an evil child. I've only come to warn you and your family to stay away from me and my mother. Else.
Else what? Else what? Else what, you evil child?
This is just the beginning.
Idiot! Idiot! Stupid idiot you are! Where have you been since? I thought you were here to kill that girl for me! And you are here asking me anything!
Don't worry, I will get her!
Idiot! Hey! Ezema. Please. You can do something. Oh? You can do something. Do you know that that girl came to my house to threaten me? Eh?
Ojemba, don't go there. Hey! As long as that girl is involved, my hands are tied.
Oh.
Ojemba, I don't know, sir. Hi!
Ezema, don't tell me you are afraid of that little girl. Eh?
No, my friend. I'm not afraid. That little girl you are seeing has guardian spirit.
Guardian spirit. So, Ezema, so, listen, you can do anything. Do anything to make sure that you deal with her. Did you hear me? You can make it. Please, Ezema, please, Ezema.
There must be a way. There must be a way. Oya, Ada. Ojemba. Odago.
Hey!
Odago.
I'm gonna get it in a bad kind of January. On your gato, I'm getting in the man way. All the Konya, this is one of Konya. Konya for an edge. Waluya chono yao makana. I'm getting gone and meselifa. Anyamu agatos Ordina karaka oh. If only me, ordina karaka mana chiku kerako yibonu wano abuna ninyanu ngenya miraka ngodo mwabiaro wa mejelo ye mwabiaro wa amelo ye omelechi Mere mad, mere mo. Enduna wala ya kebe. Anana wala ya kebe. Achujumwe buna fona juwe. Makananke biara biakana wana fufu. Mada posi kwa maduwe. Madu mwasi kwa luchu. Onyana kora mo fong. Was it well with you? On your neck, got a more phone. I've been not got on your phone. On your neck, was it moment? Ever been up on a monku? What's up, whatever? Where if up on no chain? I'm a one again with one, but when was it? I'm a one again with a new John, where was it? Decay.
Yes, SMO said it. That this child is evil. I suspect she must have killed her because she wouldn't want us to know where she come from. Yeah. Maybe Chinyere told her what we discussed with her earlier. This child is evil.
Yes, an evil child indeed.
Nonsense.
I thought Chinyere said that she is an innocent girl.
Innocent my foot.
And now she has proven her innocence of her own mother.
Oh.
Innocent indeed.
Innocent.
Please, you people should tell her to come and cure my husband for me.
Oh.
I have suffered enough. Evil child.
My problem is this. No one can tell for sure who her biological father is.
Huh? That is, I don't think that is irrelevant again. I don't think that is relevant. Since Chinyere is gone.
Ezemo, what do we do with this evil thing here?
Just tell us what do we do with her?
We have to do away with her immediately. She has to be used for sacrifice in the evil forest.
If that will save us from the menace, especially the one to come, let us do it. Huh?
So boys, take out of this place.
You? Don't be scared. My name is Kasima. I am your friend. I am here to help you.
They killed my mother. She's dead. My mother is dead.
Not to worry. I know you are innocent.
Little girl.
What are you doing here? Why are you alone?
They killed my mother, and the villagers wanted to use me for sacrifice, so I ran away.
What a wicked world. A little child like you. Don't worry. Please come with me. Eh? I will take care of you. Come. Please. Come. Come and stay with me. Eh? Don't be afraid. I will take care of you. Please come. Let's go.
Papa, you are back this early.
Yes, my son.
There is no meat with you. So you did not kill any meat for our cooking, Papa?
I did not find any meat today, but I found someone, a sister, that will make you happy. Yes.
A sister? Papa, who is she?
She's
Ogugwa Mobi.
Ogwa. Ogwa. Henceforth, this is your home. This is your brother, my son. Though he is crippled, but he's very hard working. You like him. So let's go inside.
Ogugwa, you are welcome. Papa, this one you did not cook with it. So don't bother yourself. Ogugwa.
My children.
Yes, Papa.
Today is a special day. I have not caught big imbada as big as the one I caught today.
Yes, Papa. He is very, very big. The head, very, very big. Papa.
Owa, you will go inside. Prepare the things we will use to prepare bushmeat pepper soup.
Okay, nice.
And apple.
No problem, nice.
Soft apple. Papa, I will take the head.
No, it's just the leg. You will take the leg.
No, I want the head this time. The head.
Which one do you want Ogugwa to take?
The tester.
You.
Papa, very soon you take me on. Me. Any day I will go with you. You will kill elephant. Papa, there is some guarantee. If I play it for you, after the meat.
No, play it now.
After the meat.
Play it.
No, Papa. Papa, after the cooking, let me go and help Ogogo.
Okay.
Papa, oh my. Don't play it, yo. You don't have to play it. Ogogo.
What is wrong with him?
He was bitten by a snake.
Why not go into the bush and look for some herbs to kill him?
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Papa, sorry.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth now.
Open your mouth now.
Have you seen it? It's not bitter. Papa. Papa is well. Papa is well. Oh.
Papa, she need you. Gugwa, yes, my daughter. Hey, thanks be to the gods. You are the seer we have been waiting for.
Papa, you have to rest. You just recovered. Okay?
Papa,
rest. Small. So you fall and eat.
Lena.
Why are you scared?
Why is it that when I need you the most, I don't see you? We are friends, and friends stick together.
It's because you don't need us always. You have everything you need.
How?
The problem is that you do not believe in yourself.
You're healing everybody in the village. I had not thought of healing Obidi.
No, his can't be done because it's from birth.
Have you tried doing it?
This is more reason why you need to believe in yourself.
But this is what I'm saying. Now that I need you to direct me on what to do, I can't see you.
Stand up.
Try your best, you can do it. I told you can do it. Stand now. Stand very well. Stop shaking. Thank you.
Hey.
I told you that you can do it. Oh, you have to go.
Ogogo. Hey. Ogogo, my sister. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ogogo. Hey. Hey. Ogogo, my sister. Hey. Ogogo. Hey. Ogogo. Hey. 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 Ogogo. Hey. I can walk. Ogogo. Hey. Thank you so much. Ogogo, I've been following you to hit it.
Okay. It's not you start saying that food.
But I will be eating now.
Food.
Hey! I will be carrying your bag and I will be healing people.
Oh yeah, let's go now.
Maybe be at the front now. I can walk.
Mba.
This is serious.
They are dying slowly. They are dying gradually. They are doing something and do something. Slowly. People are dying. Dying gradually. Do something. Right. Do something. Do something.
I pity this young man.
I have tried almost everything I know on them, but nothing is working.
Ezemo, could you be the gods are angry with us for trying to sacrifice with that small girl?
No! It was the gods that demanded she should be used for the sacrifice.
Then why are they silent over this issue? Why are they silent? You don't want us to die before they start acting.
Why? Or is that little girl more powerful than
How can she be more powerful than the gods? What are you talking about?
Orderly, Jidileyaka, hold your tongue before you incur the wrath of the gods upon your families. Hey! Actually, anyone when you're using a body, you're still and that's of whom DK. I want to go safe in Ankete. If I did Ankete, it was because we couldn't carry out the sacrifice on that evil child. That is why the gods are angry. Or they close it, or they close it for you. Nonsense.
Come on, here to help us do, please.
My children.
Yes, Papa.
I want to tell you the story of the snoring man and the king. The man and the wife went to a village, and the custom.
Calling down for me. I'm just a little girl, just like your
No, my daughter. You are the seer, the savior of our land. I take a appreciation for healing my son that have been blessed to you.
I appreciate your intervention from you.
I know it is from the bottom of our hearts. And here in our community, we don't reject gifts. Please.
Yes, we don't reject it.
That's why you eat.
Hey.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Thank you. Get myself.
Okay.
Mama, it's like the goat is pregnant.
Okay, Liliano. Oh my Italian. I've been kind of wet here, man.
Eh?
This one.
Papa, but
My dear, our people here, we don't reject gifts. It is part of us. So, don't worry.
Make Anamanu. Ubo ya mendo na gya. Obo ru basendu na gya mani fi neku neku. Otu akosi na. Obo esoku. Otu akosi na. Eda so fun mo dike.
Ezemo.
God have spoken to me on the solutions to all this sickness.
What did they say? We are is.
Ezemo, please speak. Tell us what the God said. Eh? Tell us the solution. As you can see, my husband is suffering and he is dying gradually. Please.
The God said, as you have found, there is that evil child for sacrifice. The next solution is the sound of Chinyene's grave.
What are we waiting for now?
You should come and help me now.
Wait, we are going there. I'm here. I'm with you.
Tiaka. What did you do to him? What did you do to him?
Oh yeah, go. Let's go there. Wait. This is Kasima's grave. This one should be. Yes, this one should be it. Yes. So okay, please, bath it. Bath yourself. Is he walking? Tell me now. Rub it very well, from head to toe. Let me see this hand. Is he walking? Hey! You got it yourself? Are you sure?
Hey! Becca! Oh yeah, back this side.
Hey! Sharp.
Hey! Rub it.
The sun.
Perform it. When I tell you, rub it well. Okay. It's painful. Okay. Rub it well. Okay.
Madam. Yes. I'm getting better.
Are you getting better?
Check yourself very well. Are you getting better?
Rub the dumb. Rub the dumb. Rub the mouth. Rub the ear.
You have tried what Ezemo told us to do. Yet, all the sicknesses are getting worse than before.
What do you I said it. Something is wrong somewhere, somehow. What do we do?
Elders of Umudike.
I greet you all.
Thank you very much.
Biko, there's no point sitting down here and wasting time. I think I have solution to all these problems. If only you will listen to me.
Shut up. Allow him to talk now.
Shut up! He's drunk.
He's not drunk.
Can't you see he's drunk with his palm wine? What solution can he prefer to us?
Is he not a human being?
Is he Ezemo?
Please let him talk.
Let him talk.
You that is not drunk, what solution have you to give us? Don't mind him. Go ahead and
Thank you, my brother. You should have allowed him run his mouth. Oh, Onion. When men are gathering, you will join them. Okay, it's I'm going okay. This morning, as I went to supply my palm wine at the market, I overheard the women of Nokpanta celebrating that the seer in their land has been healing people of diverse diseases and sicknesses, ranging from Osongudongo, Obalankonko,
Ezeku.
Name it. So, when I investigated, I discovered it was true.
If I may ask, how did you know that what they were saying is true?
Yes, that's a good question. There was this woman among them. He had a son that was born blind. As I'm talking to you now, that boy is seeing.
Can see.
Very, very well.
They confirm that with their own eyes.
Hey.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Did you see it?
I saw it with my two big eyes.
It's okay. It's okay. Even if all that he has said is true, we cannot go there. Because now water will never let their seer to come and heal somebody in our land. You know how this speak with them now?
Come on now, let me say this. This time around, we have to step ourselves down for Nokwanta people. Even if it entails kneeling down for them or even serving them, we have to do it.
Over my dead body. Why? It cannot happen. What our forefathers did not do, you want us to do. Eh?
Did all this thing happen when our forefathers are alive?
I will not. Ezemo must prefer solution to this thing.
Look at Ruth Nama. See this man's hand.
Hey!
You better forget Ezemo.
Excuse me,
forget Ezemo.
Let me say something. Ezemo will bring solution. Ezemo will bring solution. Is it when my husband dies that he will do so? Oh, eh? People should think about it. So think about it.
Answer. And you know we are in pain, but going to knock on that. In as much as they are seer, can do many things, we have to go there. La Ube, we have to go there.
We will go there.
We'll go there.
I say about it. We have to send few people to Nollywood to go and beg them for them to send us this year, for him to come and heal us.
You are right. But I think we should select a youth and few elders to go there.
Personally, I would have loved to go there, but I'll go to my in-laws' place. Though I've told Mazoka to go to people.
Mazoka, no problem. Right choice, right choice.
Which means we are complete. Let us go tomorrow morning.
Yeah. It's alright. If you don't want to go today, go. I cannot go to Nollywood.
No, we have to get the necessary things to make it good.
So that we'll be ready for it.
We have to be ready. Or maybe next tomorrow.
I think that's okay.
That's okay, that's okay.
Ichie, we greet you.
I greet you. You are welcome.
Thank you.
But I don't know you people.
We are elders from Umudike village.
Umudike? What do you want from our land? Tell me, what do you want?
We come in peace. We heard that there is a seer in this land that heals people. And we asked, they directed us here.
Exactly, Chie. And if I may ask, are you the seer? Are we in the right place?
Yes, you are. But the unfortunate thing is that I am not the person you are looking for. The person you are looking for is my daughter. But if I may ask, how may she be of help to you people?
Ishi, our land has been affected with terrible deadly disease. We've tried all we could to get a cure, but we couldn't.
Yes, and that is why we decided to come to Nollywood.
Ichie, as I'm talking to you now, my father is almost dead. Please, we need the seer to come to our land and heal my father and our community.
What made the great people of Umudike to come to Nollywood after many years of enmity between the two communities?
Ichie, I know where you're going to. But you remember that this enmity was caused by our forefathers, our great-grandfathers. But with what is happening in Umudike now, we decided to do away with this enmity and look for a solution.
Yes.
My daughter is not alive. She went to Mwago to heal some people there. But it all depends on you people. If you can wait.
No, we can wait. Yes, time. We can wait. It's fine.
Let me get the chair. No, we'll make ourselves comfortable. Ichie, why not? Yeah, sit down there.
Let me go and get a cola for you.
Elders of Umudike, I have told you people to come inside. Considering the time you came.
Ichie, we are comfortable here. Don't bother yourself. Are we not comfortable?
We are. But I am not comfortable seeing you people seated here because I do not know when my daughter will come back.
Ichie, don't bother yourself. We'll wait. We are willing to wait. We are ready to wait.
Wait. Okay.
Let's wait.
Let me go inside. Elders of Umudike, my daughter sent a message now that she will not be coming back today because she has a lot of work at hand there.
But we can wait.
No. You have to go and come back tomorrow. I will personally make sure that she did not go out from this house until she must have seen the whole of you.
My fellow elders, since he has given us his word as an Ichie, I will suggest we go and come back tomorrow. Ichie, I want to thank you so much for your hospitality.
Ogugwa, take this way.
But this is the shorter road.
Yes, the other way is far and there is water on it.
Ogugwa, follow this road. It's safer.
Do you hear anything?
Yeah, what?
Nothing. Let's just follow this road.
Asimobina bawamwe obonye genye tumukamwe obonye genye tumukamwe acha kwa muna ibofu acha mna ibofu
Oh! Hey!
Papa, you're back.
My daughter! But you sent a message to me that you will not be coming back today because you have a lot of work at hand there.
No, Papa. We finished early, so we decided to come back.
Oh. And you missed the people that came looking for you. They waited for you all day. Didn't you see them on your way coming back?
No, Papa, no. We don't see anybody. We took the other road because Ogogoa wanted to see the stream. Papa, we are very, very tired and hungry. We need rest. Hungry.
Yes.
Okay. You can go inside. There's something for you to eat. You can go in.
Yes.
All right, yes.
They will not see her. Let them suffer. They will never see her.
Cousin might support you in this. Had even they killed her, they won't be needing her help.
Exactly. Mama.
Are you stopping Agogwa from seeing her people?
Mama, they are not her people. They are not her people because they killed you and they wanted using her for sacrifice. She shouldn't see them.
I say, my child, you don't have to pay back evil with evil. Her people miss her now.
Mama, I'm surprised you're saying this. These same people you're talking about are the people that killed your cousin Manai.
Yes, my son. I know all that, but not all of them. The innocent ones are suffering for what they know nothing about.
But Mama, what if they decide to kill her?
No, they can't kill her. Because as soon as Ogogwa steps her feet on that land, there will be no more evil.
Ichi, you people kept us waiting all through yesterday. We thought something bad has happened to you because of the problem between our kingdom and theirs. We are all worried. Eh?
It's not like that. You don't have to judge people from afar. The people of Nobanta are very good people. Yes.
So, how did it go? Did you meet the seer and has he accepted to come?
It's not a he, but a she.
Are you serious?
Yes.
A woman. Just a woman. The almighty seer we are hiring. Woman.
We didn't meet her when we came. Then she went on a mission to Omago village.
So when are we expecting her?
Her father assured us that when she comes, she will see us. Yes.
Is anybody home?
Ichie. You are welcome. Thank you. You are welcome. Thank you. Ichie, is your daughter back?
Yes. She is back. But she went into the bush to get some herbs. She will soon be here.
No problem. Thank the gods, at least we'll meet her today finally.
We can wait. We'll wait. Let's wait.
Let's see. Okay. Ichie. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You are welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Let me get something.
Okay.
Oh baby, let's meet at night.
You have to go home now.
Why now? I'm not sure with getting the herbs I want.
Agogo, are you talking to me?
No, I'm singing.
Because you need to go home, you have visitors at home. They came from a far village. You need to go and help them.
Oh baby, I think we have to go now.
We're not through yet now.
I think there might be visitors waiting for us at home.
If you say so.
My daughter is here.
I want animal! Ifuke!
Papa, it's like...
Come now.
Are they my people? Or please? Papa, we don't care madness here.
We are very sorry. You see, we've been following what that Ezemo, that stupid Ezemo said. We never knew that you're a gift, not an evil girl. Please.
My daughter, we are sorry.
If you dare call me your daughter again, I will make sure you never speak for the rest of your life.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Please forgive us. We are deeply sorry.
You are our last hope.
You people killed my mother and wanted to use me for sacrifice. And now you need my help.
Please forgive. That stupid Ezemo confused us. Please.
We are deeply sorry.
People should leave here now before you lose your heads.
Wait to Leave!
Papa, can you imagine? Can you imagine?
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. Come, Obidi. Come. Let her be for now. Let her be for now.
Papa, this will be here.
Don't worry.
And they want us to come and leave.
Don't worry, Obidi.
Papa, we will not go.
Don't worry.
We will not go. If people come with any gift, sir.
Forget about gifts. Don't worry.
We will not kill anybody there. We will not kill anybody.
Not to worry.
Don't touch me.
Why do you have so much hatred in your heart for your people?
They killed my mother. And you said I should go and see them.
I understand how you feel. I do. But you see, your people need you now. They need your help.
If it was your mother that they killed, then you will understand how I feel. I will see them!
I go grandma.
Mama!
Come here closer, my child.
My daughter, you have to forgive your people. I have forgiven them.
But Mama, it's too hard on me. The people that killed you and the same people that wanted to use me for sacrifice.
I know, my child. But you have to forgive them and heal their land.
They are in pains, my child.
Onye furu n'echie,
Wasi wa buri amuri ya.
chono ya.
E kwa na tafo buru so. Aba kamili abo ga sa ke ga tele. Oi!
Anyamu agato.
Mama udede. Mama udede.
Odina garaka. Mama udede. Ifo gimi.
Mama udede. Mama udede.
Mana chiku kera ko yibono.
Oi!
Abuna ni ngalo kenya miraga. Ngodo kamjua.
Choya se.
Kedesi ya kamiri suwe faya no biu.
Where's Lobia? Mama udede. Mama udede. Choya se. Choya se. Mama udede. Mama udede.
Ona kawazanjano.
Mama udede. Mama udede.
Ebeka ike chonuwe.
Mama udede. Mama udede. Choya se.
Ebeka ike sitanuwe.
Ewa na tafo bruzo.
Onya kenya.
Mama udede. Mama udede. Mama udede. Ay!
I am weak. Please. No, leave me. Just leave me. Somebody should go and call her. Go and call her. Please. Go and call her. Easy. Hey, go and call. Okay. Hey, Papa.
Ochemba has paid for all his evil deeds. He and the SMO killed my mother and planned to use me for sacrifice. But now, I'm back to restore our souls back to Umudike.
Hey!
You're welcome.
Hey! Papa! Papa! Hey!
Okay, quick woman, my better one, better get it. My better one, better, yeah. On your got butter, money, on your got butter, money. Sifana guru na kupa Sifana beli na pokwa Opi mu patara munna Ojamu patara munna Akaniwe na wakwa Asimobi na bawa Obonye genye tumu kamle Obonye genye tumu kamle Acha kwa muna ibofu Acha mna ibofu Mwabialije omebonaga Mwabialije onyekoga koronuwa Makana buri fochele kona fuzinuwo Akwisina munagibofwe Akwisina anyagaye mejo mwanye kama nyika pumwane Apukeni kamge mezinu Mwane mebekino Ezi mwane mebekino Aguru wena gumu Abili wena pomu Onya uru na nya Love mbaya beki Igala puzuna mu Koi wetu wemu Okwa mujara kubemu Kongwe diligi ma Igala If I